In this section, I turn our attention to specific techniques for improving the search engine rankings of your sites. Let's start with one of the most basic yet critically important strategies, domain names. The strategy here is to use your primary targeted keywords in your domain name address. For example, if you wanted to target keywords New Zealand Adventure Travel, a helpful domain name would include some of these terms: www.newzealand-travel.com or new-zealand-travel.com, new-zealand-adventure.com, and so on. There are two reasons why your choice of a domain name is so important. The first is that search engines and directories assume that the domain name is relevant to the keywords contained in the name and will give you a slight boost in their rankings. So if you're trying to get traffic for New Zealand Adventure Touring, having those very words in your domain name will give you a boost in the rankings because the search engines will assume, true or not, but they'll assume that your site is related to New Zealand and touring and adventure traveling. Another reason is that having keywords in your domain name will improve your chances of getting your listing clicked on by human beings when they see it in the results pane of the search engine. For example, here I have the keyword New Zealand in this domain name in my second position here, but in the third position the domain name is just called Experience NZ, which means a lot less to humans than the actual words New Zealand. So I'm probably more likely to see this, and if I'm interested in New Zealand, click on this link rather than the third link right here. You can see from this example that with all things being equal, we're more likely to click on links that contain the same words as our search query, in this case the words New Zealand or New Zealand Travel or Adventure Travel. Also, research has shown that this is especially true for web users accessing net with slower modems. They've learned through hard experience that links take longer to load, so they study URLs more carefully to make sure they are worth the time investment to download the page.